Alright guys, sorry about that. I got it fixed. I'm not sure why my OBS, my recording software, turned off my microphone. I've been talking into it for the last 10 minutes, but welcome guys. Welcome guys, welcome guys. But yeah, to answer your question, way up there, let's see who asked it. Marty. To answer your question, Marty, um, I still have my Ustock account, but I really wanted to short, and so that's why I signed up for TradeNet. Good morning, guys. Have y'all not heard me all morning? I guess not. I don't know why my mic was off. I had to unplug it, plug it back in, and then turn it on through settings. So I don't know what was going on with that. Usually it's on automatically, but for some reason it was off. All right. So yeah, I still have Ustock as you can see here as well. So I'm still using Ustock. Man, that's crazy. But yeah, DPW is the play to make. Someone called this one out in our Power Hour stream. Looks like it was the play to make. I almost got into it. I'm holding, let's see, which one am I holding? VII. No, not VII. I sold VII right before the close. I have to go check to see which one I'm holding overnight in Robinhood. I can't even remember which one it was. Yeah, I almost got in VII. I sold it right before the close because I checked this. Look at this daily chart. It never follows through. And so what's the point of buying on a big spike like this when it's just going to fail like this, you know? Just going to be a losing trade. And so I just didn't buy this one at all. Just stayed away from it. Looked like a bad trade. STRL. I got an STRL, but it's not moving at all. So I'll watch it for a spike in the morning, but it's just not moving at all. We'll see what it does. The great thing is I'm not losing any money on it. Nice, Kevin. Yeah, I mean, TradeNet's great, Kevin. So far, here, hold on. I mean, I like Thinkorswim's charting better, so, I mean, but not to really hate on their charts. They're not too bad. But yeah, I like them so far. Fast executions, good fills for the most part. You can, there's surprisingly a decent amount of trades you can make. I can't trade SEAC. I was kind of looking forward to short this one. Oh well, TLRD. I can trade TLRD, so if it's shorts, I want to jump in on that one. IGC. No, can't trade that one. I know I can trade VTGN. DPW. STRL. No, I can't trade STRL on them either. Oh yeah, CUR is on my watch list as well. And I can trade CUR. AKS I can trade as well. Maybe a good short. IMMU not tradable. TLRD is tradable. That's good. Alright, so I can trade most this morning. I can't trade SEAC, which I'm kind of bummed out about. I was wanting to short that one a little bit. Not that what I'm not that I know of, Kevin. But like I said, I've only been trading with him for 1 or 2 days or 2 or 3 days, and so I mean I haven't noticed any margin restriction at all from them. But I'm not saying there isn't any. There might be. You would have to contact them and ask them about it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. I mean, I'm not going to, but I'm pretty sure you can. All right, so DPW is dropping a little bit at 345 now. All right, so CUR, BTGN, there's a few I'm watching. IGC, DPW, PXS, TLRD. Watching IGC here as well. I don't think I can trade this one on TradeNet, but I'll try to get in it for a long play on Ustock if I can. MYO. Yeah, MYO is popping up here. Yeah, this one's interesting. All right, so gonna watch IGC, gonna watch MYO, CUR. Good morning, Buddha. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, sorry guys. I'm back. Man, I keep doing this morning. Alright, anyways. MRNS is, I'm looking at a potential short under this 750 level. CETX is pushing up towards the highs. Sorry guys, my son's been sick with the stomach virus, vomiting everywhere, so I haven't gotten much sleep. But yeah, watching VTGN, see how it reacts to 2. Watching ONS here, although it's not necessarily my favorite one. IGC, VTGN. Still going to keep an eye on DPW to see how it reacts. Under that 350 level. EGLT. Let's see how this one does. Possible rebound maybe on EGLT. Let me know if you guys want me to add my watch list to the chat. I can, so just let me know if you want me to. NTNX is starting to run up a little bit in pre-market. It's up to 36.10 right now. Nah, I don't know about that, Grant. Oh, Grant, you were the one that's holding it overnight, aren't you? What's up, Fias? And NTNX drops all the way down to 35.60. Watching IGC over 84 cents. Let's see. Watching TLRD here for a possible short under 19. All right, guys. All right. So let's see. This trade ideas thing is acting weird. Let's check out the SPY. SPY's down. I think this is the 4th day in the row. It's down as well. Let's check out the S&P. Yeah, it's raining pretty bad and it's cold here in Texas, so I think everything's lagging a little bit on Thinkorswim. I hope it doesn't lag after the market opens. IGC seems to be working, or TradeNet seems to be working fine. There it goes. FCEL. Nice, Grant. Good trade, bro. I know. I kind of have a little bit of FOMO on DPW here, guys. If you watched our Power Hour stream, this was one a lot of us were talking about. I almost bought into this one, and instead I bought into like one that hasn't moved at all. And so this one would have been a really nice play. Same thing with probably MARA. Bouncing up some. So, you know, can't have FOMO. I accept that I didn't get into it. So today I'll have a better swing trade. IGC, AKS. There are a few I'm watching. SGE. You mean Sage? SAGE. Yeah, I restarted my computer. My computer actually had an update this morning, and so I had to restart Thinkorswim. It's not doing too bad. I mean, it just lagged a little bit on that one time, so. Yeah, it's pretty cold here Rick, as well. In Houston, around this Houston area. It's probably 30-something degrees, maybe 40 degrees, so it's pretty cold. You know, and down south, the humidity makes it feel really cold, so. OHGI maybe. That's what people are talking about. DLTH, maybe. DLTH is moving pretty crazy. No, you can't trade in after hours or pre-market trap. I wish you could. I'm really trying to find a cheap broker. Somebody yesterday suggested Trade Zero, and unfortunately, I can't use Trade Zero being located in the U.S. So. HOME is starting to run up, guys. It's at 27 now. HOME. Home. All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. We got less than 3 minutes, 2 minutes. It's so good luck, everyone. Sorry about that. MYO. Yeah, I have MYO on my other monitor. It's at 307 now. I'm still watching it. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got about a minute left. A little bit over a minute. Good morning, Kevin. Oh, good morning, Black Monday. What's up, guys? CUR. All right, guys, we got 40 seconds left. Good luck. Market's about to open soon. Yeah, I'm watching MRNS. Possible short, maybe, is what I'm watching it for. Under 750. Yeah, Grant. Whenever I downloaded OBS, it made Byte Fence, which is like a fake. I mean, it's ridiculous. Like the antivirus software, they put more viruses on your computer than anything, and then they pretend they're trying to help you. It's ridiculous. All right, market's open, guys. MYO running up. Breaking the pre-market high. Big drop on DPW, guys. MYO here. MRNS. All right, so DPW just had a washout long setup. It's up to 380 now. DPW, 383. MRNS just had a washout long as well. What? Okay. Are you serious? My trade net just disconnected. This is ridiculous. At the worst time. I can't believe that. That's absolutely ridiculous. And it's frozen. Wow. Trade net is completely frozen, guys. Completely frozen. Some of these plays I would have gotten into. Alright guys, I'm just going to have to abandon TEFs for right now. Right now I'm watching CUR. A lot of runners this morning. Anybody else using TradeNet that's having problems? Really nice 1 minute pullback on DPW here. TLDR, a lot of runners this morning. AKS looks like a great short. Let me try getting in one more time. And TradeNet is down. Okay. Yeah, my swing was STRL. Check out STRL now, guys. Up to 1846. Yeah, DPW is still green on the day technically, so we'll see how it responds here. Big drop in CUR. Watching MYO now. Double top on MYO. Wish I could short. WAC. WAC, wash out long. Up to 71. I'm a little bit late. Nice call out though. All right, so STRL, my swing trade from yesterday on Robinhood, is up to 1860. Currently up $7 on STRL. I'll give it a little bit more time with my 10 shares. MYO. TLRD looks like a good short. Wish I could short it. Try to log in again. There we go. Okay, I got it back. Finally. Gonna have to hurry here. Missed the short on TRLD. DEPO. DEPO's running up, guys. DEPO. EKSO. So I can trade WAC. All right, so I'm in WAC with 100 shares on U stock. Gonna see if we can push and break this high of day. If not, I'm gonna get out pretty soon. All right, so it broke the high of day. It's at 74 now. There we go. All right, so my STRL trade is doing nicely. I'm gonna bail out of WAC here pretty soon. Yep. Not doing what I want it to. Not a clean enough chart. 160 loss. I'm probably going to get out of STRL here. Take my $7. Depending on what it does right here at the high of day again. Nice job, Black Monday. EKSO. Yeah, EKSO's at 299 now. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of STRL for like a 650 profit right now. All right, I'm out. So that's my next TOPS VTG in. TOPS, guys, running up here. I don't necessarily trust TOPS. VTGN. We'll see here. TOPS is running. All right, so that's another profitable swing trade for me, though, on STRL here, guys. Definitely happy with that. I've been doing pretty well swing trading lately. I've really been thinking, and it's pushing up more. I probably should have held, but I've been doing pretty well swing trading, and so I'm starting to think about putting some big money up on it. If you guys have followed along with our Power Hour stream, you can see I've had a lot of profitable trades, swing trading, just in the last 2 weeks. Most of them are profitable, actually. And so, definitely cool to see me get some consistency swing trading, just holding stocks overnight. Hopefully I can continue with it. RPRX. RPRX waking up a little bit. FTR waking up a little bit. XRF waking up a little bit. ROX pushing up some. Yeah, Tops is one that I do not trust. It rarely follows through. Looks like nice patterns, but it's kind of an in and out trade if I do decide to get in it. For me, I just don't trust it. A lot of washout longs this morning going on in the market. Yeah, looking at VTG in here. Same thing with EKSO. Watching that one. Watching Tops. Alright, so VTGN's testing that 250 level again. I don't know. I mean, Tops is looking pretty strong. DCIX washout long here. These two are kind of following each other. Similar. Let's check out SHIP, RLOG. Yeah, RLOG, DCIX kind of following each other here. Alright, so VTGN is over that 250 level. There goes VTGN. We'll see how it reacts to 265, the high of yesterday. As scary as I think it is, I'm thinking about shorting VTGN right here as it tries to break yesterday's high. Man, I caught it. I just hesitated. I'm not confident in my shorts yet. But man, I called that one. Would have been up 14, 15 cents. Maybe a little bit more, 15, 16 cents maybe. Caught it, man. Ugh. I gotta be more confident in my shorts because I called that one, man. Really was thinking about it. Thought it may fail. Too many up wicks on the way up. Big drop in DCIX. I'm guessing big drop in TOPS too now. Yeah, Black Monday. Like I said, being long biased for so long has taught me when a stock's gonna fail. You know? And one thing, like one of these strategies, I've been trying to think of different strategies for shorting, right? One of these strategies is when a stock is already this overextended and it approaches a previous resistance level. Like if this was the pre-market high and it opened up down here and then tried to break it here, that's when I would short it. And so I was correct. Look, it's going down nicely. It would have been a beautiful short, but I just need to have a little bit more confidence in my shorting, But I was correct, and that's the most important thing. Just seeing that it did exactly what I wanted it to, and I would have made money on it. It gives me confidence. I can always reload my TradeNet account. Like I'm just worried about getting the correct setups going on. GLBR waking up, guys. It would have been a beautiful short, though. I'd be up 30, 40 cents. GLBR waking up, guys. This one might have a similar thing. I got a little bit of FOMO here with this short. Definitely bummed out. I even called it out. Just bummed out I missed it. Would have been a beautiful short. Look at that. Called it out. Said I'd think about going short right here at this high of yesterday at 265. Just missed it, man. CETX. All right, I'm in GLBR here. Looking for it to hold support over this previous level. Sorry, CETX. CETX, it doesn't look like it's doing much. Not much volume. Yeah, for sure. Ugh, this one trapped me too. I think it'll probably bounce back up there, but I'm just getting out. So like a $5 or $6 loss on the day on U stock. And like I said, I thought it would usually pop back up. It just faked people out here, which is what I thought it would probably do, but limited liquidity. I guess it's good I got out. TOPS. Wow, look at TOPS here. It actually followed through for once. I think this is the first time I've seen TOPS really follow through in the last few months. First time, I think. Usually it fails after this first one. And it has a washout long setup maybe. Alright, it's testing that 50-cent level. It's had a lot of resistance there previously. I wish I could short it, because I would short it at about 54 cents is where I remember it failing last time. Right at 54 cents is where I would short it. Nope, can't trade it. Bum. DEPO. Yeah, no problem, Blanco. Alright, so I'm just patiently waiting. There goes TOPS, testing that 450 level. WAC. I mean, this one's just consolidating. You can see it's an obvious range right here. So wait for it to drop under there is what I'm doing. Alright, let's see how right I was with TOPS. Like I said, I would short it at 54. WAC's dropping, just broke under that range. Oh, close. BLPH. Yeah, this is just a guess, you know. I may be wrong. I just remember the last time I was watching TOPS run, it failed at 54 cents. Or it may have been 56. I can't remember. But it failed in the 50s. DPW here trying to have a little breakout. Nice trade, Andre. CIEN is dropping big. Later, Black Monday. And look at that. TOPS. I've got to trust my instincts, man. You know, they say when you trade enough days in a row, you start to kind of learn what works, what moves, how it moves. And so I feel like I'm finally getting there. But look at that. TOPS. Almost. Really close. I said 54. It went up to 57, but... Ooh, 3,000 shares. No way. IDXG. IDXG isn't doing anything. I mean, it's just sitting there. No volume at all. IGC's pushing up here. Getting a little bit earlier. I think it's going to test that high. So if it does fail, I'm going to end a little bit earlier. I've got to trust my instincts more. I was thinking about shorting CIEN here as well. Yeah, tops has always been tricky to trade, guys. Give IGC a little bit of time. Whoa. Really thinking about shorting AKS here. It's got that big gap to fill down. If it gets down to 516, I'll jump in it with 100 shares, try to let it work. Check out MYO, guys. MYO is starting to come back up to 338. MYO. All right, so I'm short. No fill. There we go. I'm short AKS. 100 shares. That's rough, Chef. You'll bounce back, man. DCIX. Man, look at DCIX, guys. I missed that one. I know you guys have been calling this one out in the chat. I just missed it. So DCIX is tradable here. There goes MYO here. DPW high of the day. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this here. Alright, I'm out of AKS. Just wasn't moving as fast as I wanted to for a stock that I want to trade, so $3 loss on it. Very small. Yeah, guys, honestly, I'm still pretty confident in this. Like, I had two really good call-outs. DPW, I called out when it would fail, and VTGN, I called out when it would fail again. And so I'm confident in my shorting ability. I just need to get my nerves right. My nerves are what's keeping me from actually doing it, I'm not used to shorting at all. I'm very comfortable going long in trades. Not used to shorting, so it's kind of scary for me. But I'll get used to it. And if I have to reload my TradeNet account one day, I will. SQNS went all the way up to 190, but now it's back down to 179. Here everybody talking about DPW. I think DPW will fail here. What's up, Rick? I didn't know you were still in here, man. Alright, I'm checking my text now, Rick. Good luck, Rick. I'll pray for you, man. I'm not sure, Dino. I'm not sure. Never done it before, to be honest. Alright, so there goes IGC. I'm worried it's going to fail here. It's at 8.6. There we go. Nice run up. Yeah, I'm worried it's going to fail here. I'm glad I got a little bit of a cushion. That's why I tried to get in early. It's at 87 now. Looks like it's going well, though, Rick. Yeah, Downwick's holding. Isaiah. EBTC. VKTX pushing up to the high. Up to 328 now, VKTX. IGC back down to 85. I got about an 84-cent entrance, 83-cent entrance. SHLD. SHLD pushing up here. Highs at 450. VTGN. Look at that drop on VTGN. Would have been a beautiful short right here, man. SNCR is bouncing a little bit here. There we go. The IGC flagging up to 88. Nice. Nice. It went up to 90. There we go. See if it follows through here. There we go. It's up to 90. 92. I'm going to go ahead and bail out here for a $6 gain. Maybe 7 depending on where I was filled. Alright, so there's a profitable trade. Finally, got one. And figures it's a long trade. I'm still waiting for my first profitable short trade here. VKTX. VKTX is running here. Look at this really nice volume, up to 337. I really wish I could short IGC over $1. Can't trade those, but I think IGC, a lot of times what I've noticed, especially when a stock slowly creeps up like this, once it gets around that dollar area, it washes out. And so watching IGC here just to see if I'm correct about my trade idea about it washing out around $1. Home pushing over to the high of the day, DCIX. It's a little bit too late to short it, I think. Would have been a good short under 7. Because it may bounce over 650 and push back up. DCIX, I mean, this thing's a former runner for sure. You can look at the daily. It was up to... Why did they do this? This is never correct. You know, it got up to $14 before that, 35. It did not get up to, I mean, I don't think it got up to 150. I think that's incorrect. Look at this beautiful push on HOME, guys. So HOME is tradable. Yeah, Rick. Yeah, man, I'm vaping. Everybody always asks me that. I bought a really nice microphone, and now I'm kind of paying for it because everybody can hear me vaping over here. Yeah, see? This gives me confidence, guys. I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to be cocky here. But when this one was pushing up, I said I think it will fail around 54 cents. And so I was 3 cents off. I wish I could have shorted it. But you know, it does give me confidence to see I was almost spot on with that, and then it washes all the way back down. So that does give me a little bit of confidence there, man. MYO looks like a good short, or it looked like a good short. A little late now. Watching for a bounce on MYO to see if it pushes back up. I think it'll bounce off of this low and then head back up. Maybe start testing this high at 335, and then it may come back down, but I think it'll bounce right here. If it breaks under it, it may be a good short. HOME pushing up nicely. Later, Rick. All right, man. Yeah, Rick, text me later, man. Yeah, guys, I just need to work on my nerves a little bit. I think my trade ideas are pretty spot on a lot of the time, and I just need to work on my nerves and my fear of trading, fear of getting it out, and my fear of losing money is what I need to work on. PAY, high on significant volume. All right, so there goes IGC. Let's see if it fails at $1. PAY up to 17.98, 17.99. PAY is waking up. Touched 18. LMFA started to try to push up as well. Broke the high, went up to 380, then failed. HOME's flagging really nicely. I think it might fail when it tries to break over 28.50 though. AMRN. AMRN waking up, guys, at 322 now. Waking up with some volume here. SHLD sitting over 450. If I see a nice volume spike in AMRN, I might jump in this one. QURE. QURE is waking up some. Alright, so HOME broke that 2850 level and then washed out. Let's see if it holds support at 2850 now. PED waking up, guys. PED. Really nice volume spike here. LE starting to grind up with some volume. LE. Looking for some follow through volume on PED here. HOME maybe a good short here with the stop at 2850. All right, so I made $7 today swing trading on STRL. I had that profitable trade on IGC for a $6 gain, and then I had a few losses. So I think I'm probably down a little bit, but not much today. SYN. Look at SYN here, guys. SYN at 62, a little bit over 62. PED back up to 35, but I need some volume on it on PED if I'm going to think about getting in this one. Gram, G-R-A-M. VRNT, hitting the low of the day, slowly grinding down. ECOM. My plan with this one, I can't short it, but I thought it may wash around $1 because one of the things I noticed, and I've been kind of trying to think of trade ideas for shorting. If a stock has a big long grind up and then it comes to this big resistance area like 1, it usually will have a lot of trouble getting over it. And so we'll see. Volume spike in PED. But yeah, I thought it would wash out around 1. I mean, and it hasn't washed out yet. It's just kind of consolidating some. So we'll see what it does. It still has a little bit of time. EMKR waking up with some volume. Alright, so watch PED here. There it goes. There goes a big volume spike in PED. I'm in it now at 35 cents with 200 shares on Robinhood, guys, if you can't see it. I don't like that big upwick though. Gonna set a stop loss at 33. Maybe just be faking people out. I'll give it a little bit more time. My entry's 35, so I'm waiting. Back up to 37. Nice. Just needs a little bit more volume. There we go. Testing the high of day. Back down. Struggling to get over 38 here. Doesn't want to. EMKR is pushing up some, running a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to set my stop loss for 34 on this, so I only take a $2 loss if I do take one. Just because this one's a little sketchy for me. Alright, I got my stop loss set. I'll give it a little bit of time to work with me now that I have a stop loss set. All right, so let's see what else is moving. GRAM. All right, Thinkorswim. There it goes, pops back up. IGC is still hanging out around $1 here. It's at 97, so I'm watching it closely. HOME just broke the high of the day. CLST. Man, my Thinkorswim's taking a long time to load here. DEST. WAC. WAC still pushing up here, guys, trying to break that high of the day. It's 79 now. Oh, it's CSLT. All right, so there goes HOME is pushing over 29 now. AKS has been reversing for the last few minutes as well. Glad I got out when I did. DAIO is pushing up. Yeah, Daisy, it's been lagging, very slow moving, not loading up when I wanted it to, so just having a few problems with it. All right, so PED, it dropped under 34, but I am still in the trade. So I'm up $1 right now on PED. Yeah, I might get stopped out of PED here. It was just a fake out. It's just not moving. Again, my stop's at 34 cents. It bounced. It didn't stay down there long enough to trigger it at first. Just gonna stick to my plan. Wait to sell at 34 for a $2 loss if I do. VKTX. SNCR reversing here. Obvious reversal pattern right here. QRE is running up to 1650. DAIO is running up here. It's at 1286 now. WAC washing out. EMKR testing the high of day. VKTX the same at 340 now. Yeah, I'll probably just get out of PED here. I mean, I guess I'll follow my stop, but nope. Right when I say that, it's pushing me up. Okay. See if it follows through here. It needs some volume. Came close to stopping me out twice. MYO. SYN. SYN's pushing up here, reaching the high of day. Not that much volume, and so I'm going to be careful with it, a little skeptical of it. But SYN pushing up here. All the way back down to 35. Back up. PED's acting too crazy for me. It's just not moving. Not enough volume, so that's why it's swinging around so much. And see, guys, I'm pretty confident in my shorting ability. Look at this. I said it would get rejected at 1. I mean, I'm not trying to brag. I'm just excited that my trade ideas have been correct. I just couldn't short it here. So, happy with my trade ideas so far today. Need to work on my my nerves a little bit with it so I can not have as many nerves when I'm doing it, but PED back down to 35. I'll probably get out of this one soon. It's just not moving. Go ahead and cancel my stop and get out for a break even. Alright, so I'm out of PED for a break even trade. I just didn't like it. It just wasn't doing anything. It was just kind of going back and forth. So, break even trade. AKS here. I'm watching AKS for a possible short. I can short this one right here, I believe. Let me make sure. I think it'll wash out here. GROW spike. Wow, look at that spike. Really big spike on GROW. Look at this move. Can I short this one? No, can't trade it. Would have loved to short it right here. Alright, 1 minute pullback on GRO. It may run here if it holds above that previous high. But yeah, I wish I could have short IPC here, IGC. My trade idea was correct. It failed right around $1. I think AKS is just a little bit too slow moving for me, honestly. SQNS getting some volume here. STRL just broke the high of the day at 1888. This was my swing trade from last night. I sold it up here somewhere in the 1870s for a $7 gain this morning. But this was my swing trade from yesterday. Worked out pretty nicely for me. Could have held, but I'm not going to dwell on that. Watching GROW here. DCIX. But yeah, guys, market's kind of slowing down. I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. Everybody do me a favor really quick and hit that like button on this stream right now. We definitely appreciate the support, and that does help support us, guys. So if you appreciate this content and want to keep seeing it, make sure you hit that like button right now on this stream. Like I said, we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already and you want to see me day trade my small account live every morning, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I go live every weekday morning starting at 8:45 a.m. market time. I should be doing my power hour stream today. I've had really good success with my swing trades lately. So I'm up a decent amount. That's honestly what I've been doing the best at, is my swing trades. And so if you've been following along with my power hour stream, you can see I've had a decent amount of profitable trades building my Robinhood account up. And so, like I said, guys, be sure to check that out if you want to see when I go live every morning and every afternoon for my power hour stream. If you click the bell next to the subscribe button, it will alert you every time I go live. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Good luck. I'll see you guys later for our power hour stream. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.